Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a close look at a GPU that delivers impressive performance for the price-conscious gamer, the Gigabyte RX 7608GB Gaming OC. If you're aiming for smooth 1080p gameplay, great thermal efficiency, and strong value, this card fits perfectly into that category. Let's break down exactly what makes it stand out. The RX 7600 Gaming OC features 8GB of fast GDDR6 memory, giving you the bandwidth needed to handle modern titles at high settings without bottlenecking. Built on AMD's RDNA 3 architecture, this GPU delivers improved efficiency, stronger compute performance, and better power management compared to previous generations. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing content, the RX 7600 offers performance that punches above its weight. One of the biggest highlights is the wind force-inspired cooling design Gigabyte uses in its OC cards. You get dual 80mm fans with alternate spinning, composite heat pipes, and a large heatsink surface that keeps temperatures in check even during long gaming sessions. The card runs cool and quiet, which is a huge benefit for compact builds or systems with limited airflow. The factory overclock also gives you an edge right out of the box, offering better frame rates without any manual tweaking. Aesthetically, the GPU has that clean, sharp Gigabyte look with subtle detailing, making it a great fit for almost any build. The metal backplate not only adds durability but assists with heat dissipation, ensuring long-term stability. Performance-wise, it's capable of delivering high refresh rate 1080p and even entry-level 1440p performance in many titles thanks to AMD's optimized drivers and FSR support. If you're coming from older GPUs like the RX 580, GDX 1060, or GDX 1660 Super, you'll notice a major boost in responsiveness, rendering quality, and overall gaming smoothness. And because the RX 7600 is power efficient, you don't need a massive PSU to run it, making it an easy upgrade for many older systems. If you're looking for a dependable, efficient, and affordable graphics card for modern gaming, the Gigabyte RX 7600 Gaming OC delivers performance and reliability without stretching your budget. Check out the link below for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more daily tech reviews here on Gadgetverse. See you in the next video.